SMCI, come on, just a couple hours. I recorded the video on how this thing, man, I said, we should touch is 1,000 and then we can fucking go all in short in it. And now, guys, guess what? I'm thinking that SMCI is actually using Tesla playbook from just a couple of years ago when Tesla keeps rocketing and rocketing and rocketing. Just when it looks like Tesla can't go higher no more, guess what the play is? Tesla says, fuck it. Stock split. So, guys, SMCI 1,500, 1,800, anyone, 2,000. Can the stock double in the next few fucking days? I tell you how it can. All he's got to do is use Tesla playbook and announce a fucking stock split. It's a perfect moment, okay? The smartest people, okay, announce stock splits just like recently. Hey, it's Walmart announced 3 for 1 because they know the shit is going to collapse. This is a perfect moment for SMCI to go ahead and announce stock split. This is how the stock goes to 1,500. That's it. Leo, I'm not sure if you're serious right now or not. I'm serious about the playbook, but I'm not necessarily serious about this shit hitting 2,000. Okay, so guys, this is on the edge. This is when SMCI walks such a thin line. We've talked about the option chain. They keep buying the shit out of them. Now, at this point, 1,070 strike is highly active in SMCI. So who would be buying the 1,070 strike? Anybody that thinks it's going to go above 1,070. So people are actually now thinking, and by people I actually mean the fucking idiots that didn't buy it at 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600 that now are jumping in and saying, fuck it, it's gonna go higher. Well, don't be the slave of the price action, even though, as we pointed out in the last video, price action can get pretty fucking ugly. A flash crash is coming. It's just what we don't know for a fact if it's gonna top out at 1,000 or 1,100, 1,200 or fuck. I mean, the option chain is in SMCI highly resembles that when Tesla was making the crazy moves just a couple of years ago before the stock split. So if they do announce the stock split after hours, it would not be a fucking shocker at all that the stock can't fucking fly a couple of 100 points higher. It would not be a shocker at all that you would see a few more analysts besides the goofball at fucking Bank of America, okay, saying, wow, but it's going to go way higher. Well, it's easier to say something's going to go way fucking high. At this point, it's up more than 3x in the last, I don't know, I got 10-day chart here. Let's go ahead, last 20 days. From 300 to 1,000. I mean, how often do you see that kind of shit in the market? Not often, okay? And within that lies an opportunity. Because, look, you can buy calls. Fucking be my guest, buy calls. But guess what? At the very, very, very fucking best, if you buy calls now, they may produce a 50% return. They may double if this shit actually is going to fly to like 1,200. It announces a stock split tonight. It flies to 1,200. Guys, that's just, you know, we're talking about, you know, sports. There's a playbook. There's a playbook to be followed. So if SMCI management team is smart enough, they should be announcing a stock split tonight, okay, if they want to see the momentum going, and then they split it. Now, unfortunately, I mean, the way the stock splits are working is, you know, you don't get to split it that same night you announce it. And when they announce it, the stock could go higher on the announcement, but shortly after that, if you follow Tesla historic chart pattern, you would know that the stock fucking collapses shortly after that. So we're within moments, we're within days, we're within minutes, hours, whatever you want to fucking call it, from a flash crash in this thing. Because a stock is trading like a penny stock, and guess what? Every penny stock that goes higher, guess what it does next? It fucking drops. So there's a lot of reasons to be buying this stock, absolutely. But at this point, it is way beyond any fucking reality. And anything that is beyond reality is going to come back down to earth. And so that moment is in the making. So as you're watching this pattern of immaculate green candles just continuing. Guys, we are going to nail this trade just like we nailed the fucking Tesla short, because we study the history of this chart, we study the patterns, and this is why I'm calling SMCI as the Tesla of 2024. Now, clearly Tesla is the worst performer out of the big name tech this year, which we actually shorted at 260, and now Tesla dropped to 170s and trading back at 193. Huge shorting opportunity on Tesla, but this is the next Tesla. And what do? Since Tesla announces the stock split, guys, you should know the facts. It drops, it bounces, and it drops, and it bounces, and it fucking drops. So there it is. If you want to understand the next market move in this playbook, you go to 13mmtv.com, you click the big orange button, and you schedule a coaching call. There is a huge, magnificent trade within this stock that is developing right now. This is the holy grail of fucking trading, guys. You don't see this kind of bullshit every day. And as a trader or a trade speculator, okay, man, do you live for moments like this in the market? This is a beautiful moment. And I dare you guys to catch it with 13 market moves. So there it is, 13mmTV, big orange button. Don't fucking miss it. This is a magnificent trade in the making. This is something to be really excited about if you're a short seller. Let's fucking roll. Pump and dump in the making of its best. The very fucking best of all times. Let's go.